What are Wix pricing plans? Wix pricing plans are structured to give users flexibility, whether you're building a personal website portfolio or full online store. Wix offers both a free plan and multiple premium plans, each tailored to different levels of need. The free plan is great for getting started, but upgrading unlocks more tools, storage, and a professional look for your site. The free plan lets you design and publish your site without paying anything. It includes Wix hosting, templates, and the drag and drop editor, but your site will display Wix ads and use a Wix subdomain. The Lite plan is ideal for personal use or small projects. It removes Wix ads, allows you to connect a custom domain, and provides SSL security and more storage. The Core plan is perfect for small businesses. It includes everything from the Lite plan plus basic e-commerce tools, analytics, and higher storage limits. The Business and Business Elite plans offer advanced features like priority support, scalability, and premium performance, ideal for larger stores or high-traffic websites. The Enterprise plan provides custom solutions for large companies. In short, Wix pricing plans are designed to scale with your goals, from beginner to business. You can start using Wix for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to create your own professional website at no cost.